Hey, good news here. It's 6:30 in the morning, and here's your wonderful reporter and accountant, Scott Rulon. Glad to be with you again. Today we're going to review a company called Legendary Marketer. Is it fact or is it fiction? But before we get to my review, I would like to encourage you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that all-powerful bell icon so you can receive future videos. Hey, welcome to my Legendary Marketing review. Legendary Marketing is the brainchild of the one and only Dave Sharpe. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you want to build an online business the modern way, Dave and his team have built an extraordinary business teaching people modern methods of building traffic, both organically and paid. Next, we're going to talk a little bit about Dave's story. Honestly, Dave wears his heart on his sleeve, and even though his language can be a bit rough at times, you know that he has his students' best interest at heart. You will find that he is an excellent leader, and you'll also notice that excellent leaders are more concerned about their followers and students than what they are going through themselves. One of the things I really like about Dave is, guess what? Every morning he does an interview with one of his students and lets everybody else know how they're doing and what unique attributes each of these students have. Well, you see, a decade and a half ago, Dave found himself on his father's doorstep, addicted to drugs, and asked for help. Dave's father took him in and helped Dave clean up his act, as well as Dave getting it together himself. And Dave worked with his father in the construction business and quickly figured out he was going nowhere fast. He began to look online to find a better way to live and earn money. He borrowed some money from his then girlfriend and began to sell training on how to be good at MLM. So once Dave had cleaned up his act, and he did, and in 2012, I believe that's the date, he founded Legendary Marketer. Although the path was not always easy, Dave has helped thousands building businesses online. His unique approach to online business is not only evergreen, that means the content is good forever. It's more about strategy than tactics, but it remains modern as his training materials are updated on a regular basis. So entering the legendary world, Dave starts his students with a 15-day challenge, and don't worry, the cost of the challenge is always between $1 and $7, so it can work on just about anybody's budget. The challenge helps you to understand what affiliate marketing is and how it works. You will be given a new challenge each day for 15 days. Importantly, Dave and his team take it step by step. You are also given a coach to consult with. You can make the decision if you want to have further training with Dave and his team. Fantastic. Hey, at this point, I just want to remind you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you too can receive future videos. So on with the core of the subject. One of the best things I like about Dave's program, every other Friday he does a program called Decade in a Day. This is the part of training that I liked best, was his Decade in a Day training. Through a group coaching scenario, you receive live training not only how to develop your own niche, but also to set up your first funnel and develop traffic through Facebook and TikTok and Pinterest. It makes the experience totally real. In fact, you set up an entire campaign that is done for you so that you can learn to make money. Hey, the next important part of Dave's process is what's called the blueprints. The blueprints are a tool that give you a step-by-step instructions to building the core 4 businesses, as Dave likes to call them. They include the knowledge business, the coaching business, and masterminds and events, as well as affiliate marketing, selling things online without having to provide all the service. You are shown how to build Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube funnels, and also how to make them work. So honestly, I'll let you know the blueprints are not without cost, but the true value of Dave's program is the community you receive help from, especially his other students in the Facebook groups. You can ask them any kind of question and they will answer. They will tell you what's working for them. It's nice to be able to see success in action. So everybody works together to ensure online success. I know if you're like me, you're tired of scams. Certainly I've seen a lot of them, and you've seen on my blog, My Financial Fair, all the different type of scams that are out there. I mean, people will take your money and they will run. Nice to see a legitimate business that's been around for more than 10 years. So if you're tired of scams and you came to this blog, you really want to know how to make money online, right? Look, there are lots of training companies online. If you have the step-by-step skills to help you grow, you can be sovereign and build your own business the right way, yes? So if you will go to my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, you can partner with me here by clicking this button, or you can simply go down to the description field here in YouTube and find more out about it. The big deal is once you learn the skill set and you have the all-important mindset, you can build wealth too. We have complete newbies who are just starting and making their almost passive income streams online, and then we have students who've been with us for a year that are completely crushing it. You know, today, the digital economy is the #1 online business model for those just starting out. The beauty is you don't have to do it 9 to 5. So whether you've never made $1 online or you've been in the space for a while but never really made it, digital real estate is for you. I know you'll make the right decision. By the way, you can also follow Scott on the media below. You can see me on Facebook. You can certainly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram, and you can follow me on Twitter. And guess what? Today you can even follow me on TikTok. But I'm telling you, I don't sing or dance. I look forward to seeing you at the top. So here's my picture. So you want to succeed in business? Then click here and check this out to take your game to the next level. So excited you are here. Feel free to read my other blogs at myfinancialfair.com and hit that bell icon to keep these videos coming.